Okay, so I'm going to show you how everything gets put together for the shoe rack bench. It's not really like a whole lot of pieces, so it's not super complicated. You will get this bag that has everything in there, and I will go over what all of that is. So to start, you'll have some of these little felts. They're like sticky on one side and felt on the other, so you can stick on the bottom so it doesn't scratch floors if it's going to sit on a hard floor. You will get some brad nails. There is a random amount in here. It is definitely more than you need, but these are to attach the back to it. If you want to, it will press fit in. You don't even need to nail it in, but if you do, they're there. One little bag has the 2 longer screws in it for the bench top. Your Allen key, Allen wrench. There are 2 extras, and I labeled them extra. Not sure if you can see that, but labeled extra. One of each, just in case you happen to lose one or the other. And then there should be 8 of the smaller screws that hold, the sides to the top and bottom. So, that being said, start grabbing some pieces. So all of these little dividers on the backs of them, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it or if the camera will pick it up at all because it is engraved into it on the back side. They'll be numbered, and then there'll be a T. T for top, then they are numbered. So the way that they are numbered is if you were looking at the front, then 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, and then whenever you do the top ones, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 1, there's 2. Let me make sure I actually stuck that on there the right way. Yep. And 3. Making sure that the top goes up. Then the side pieces, they are also labeled. Same thing, it'll say left or right and have a T marking which way is the top. Before I do that, I'm going to do the middle piece on. And let's see. Middle, and the middle will have left and right side marked. So there's that. So throwing some sides on. Make sure it's right top. Cool. This is the left side. This is the top. And for right now, I'm just finger tightening everything. Okay. 4, 5, and 6. And then the top. Put that together. That. Okay. Now I'll go through and just tighten all these up. They don't have to be super tight, just tighten until they're snug. Cool. You're all nice and snug. Now the backing can go on. Move it around. There we go. Now on top. The seat will only go on here one way. The screw holes are not, I mean, they're going to be slightly closer to the front. So if the screw holes don't match up, flip the thing around. That's pretty much it. To the top. Let's see. And if you just feel in there, you can kind of feel where the little recesses are. So once the screws are tightened in, they'll, be up inside those little recesses. And there we go. We are done. So, here it is, completely put together. And that is it. Then these nails, you can go in and nail the backing in place if you want to. If you want to be able to take it apart later, just press fit it in there, and I mean, it's gonna stay in there. You might have to tap it in with your palm of your hand a little bit, but it'll press in there. There you go.